Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the condenser fan motor in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, a socket wrench with a 1/4-inch head and a 3/8 head with a long extension, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is located at the back of the refrigerator next to the compressor. It's designed to cool off the condenser coil and the compressor. If both compartments of your refrigerator are not cooling properly and you can feel there is no air coming from under the refrigerator, it's time to check and replace the condenser fan motor if necessary. Now we're at the back of the fridge, and to get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take out the screws. And now we're going to pull it straight up and out. This is the condenser fan motor that we are going to replace. First, we need to take out the two 3/8 screws, one in each corner. One is here and that one over there at the back. I'm going to use the 3/8 socket wrench with a very long extension so we can get above the condenser coil. Start with this one. And the second one at the back. Alright, now we're gonna change the extension and the head. I'm going to put a 1/4-inch short socket on my wrench. Now I'm gonna remove the 3/4-inch screws that holds the motor. I'm gonna start with this one at the back. And now we're gonna disconnect this motor plug. There's the locking tab. We're gonna press it down and pull the plug apart. All right, and I'm gonna move this bracket to the side, and we're gonna remove the motor and the fan blade. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers, and I'm going to pry the blade of the motor shaft slowly. Don't break it. And I'm going to put it aside. This is the old condenser fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is our new motor, and we're going to install the blade onto the shaft. I'm going to push it in so it will stick out. Probably about 1/4 of an inch or so, like this. Now I'm going to install it into this frame and mount the motor. It goes in this way, angled. I'm going to match the holes and install the screws. And now we're going to start with the top one. Then I'm going to use the socket wrench. Okay, now I'm going to plug in the new motor. Okay, make sure it clicks. That means it's locked. And now, the easiest part. We can install the 2 screws here. After I align the holes, I grab that screw with the needle nose pliers. And I'm going to insert it from this side. I'm going to drop it into the hole. I'm going to use this 3/8 head and with a long extension. And I'm going to do a couple of turns manually without using the ratchet. Alright, now I'm going to move to the front hole here, and same thing, I'm gonna drop the screw in with the needle nose pliers. And the same thing. I'm gonna tighten it slightly. Alright, now I'm gonna use this the ratchet, and we're going to tighten up both screws. And the panel goes back on. We got a cutout here for the power cord. I'm gonna match the holes here on the top. Place it over the water inlet valve. And we can start securing it with the 1/4" screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.